Hey guys, Nick Dabas here with Adorama TV. Today we're going over something really awesome for Filmmaker Week. We're going super lightweight, and we have a couple products that I used to do a little video. And one of them being the Komodo. It's a very lightweight camera. You have extremely good quality on it. And what's awesome about that camera is you can really pare it down to a super small setup, or you could pair it up for a much larger setup. And what we have here today, we are hooking it up with Anton Bauer gold mount micro batteries. We also have a Canon expander, and we also have Litepanels 1x1 hard, which I love. I think that that light is extremely light, and it allows you to have pro features like X and Y, DMX, and it also comes with really cool accessories where you could remove domes. You can put on different types of diffusion on the front of that. And then it also accepts batteries, which is really, really cool because all this stuff is modular and you can kind of take it apart. And for lenses, we went with a lightweight set, which is the DZO Vision Primes. Those lenses really pair well with the Komodo, especially with that expander. It allows you to get a much wider field of view, kind of expand that sensor that you get from the Komodo. And surprisingly, I was very impressed because I did not notice any loss of quality. I did not notice any sort of fringing or anything like that. So that's really awesome for Canon. And it's really awesome that DZO is really pushing the lenses, especially at this price point. We also have Polar Pro circular NDs. I haven't seen these ones before. It's really unique because it comes with a rubber cap that also screws on like a piece of metal. And what that does is allows you not to touch the glass with your fingers. So to jump back into some of the camera gear that we used, we had a small HD 5-inch, which controls the Komodo. For media, we used SanDisk. I love them. We paired them with these little Pelican cases. And for microphones, we went with Sennheiser. I'm using currently an MKH416. For me, it sounds great. So I know it's an industry standard mic. You don't need that for this setup. Obviously, it's a little overkill, but I wanted the voiceover to sound really cool for this video. And I figured I own it. I'll just use it. This is something that I've owned for a very long time. And I think that Sennheiser just stands by their products. And it's a really, really amazing company to invest into for all your audio needs. Having a Komodo is really awesome because you have the quality, you have 6K, you could do 4K, you could do slow motion. It's in a tiny package that is probably the size of your photo camera. Now, why this is beneficial is because when you're shooting in a tight space, you are limited to the amount of people that you can bring with you. Also, you are limited to your space. So this kitchen is probably 300 square foot. And what's good about this camera setup and the lenses that we used is you're not bringing this, larger matte box, studio matte box. You're having a circular filters that are NDs. You also have these really small lenses, but still cover full frame. And, pairing that all with these micro batteries really helped us run around the kitchen area, run around the restaurant. The 1x1 hard was perfect for this because we were able to slip it into small spaces and then also bring a tinier stand. The great thing about the camera, the light, and the battery system that I used, I literally carried 3 cases into the restaurant and I wasn't in anybody's way. And it felt kind of good to go run and gun and not bring a much bigger setup. So guys, that about wraps it up. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to Adorama TV channel, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.